guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Today I'm gonna show you a classic long pattern straight wig. It's just simple and typical style. This is how it looks. It doesn't have the same length, a little layered, like a 14 inches and 18 and 20 inches long. So pretty. As you can see, it has much hair. But the weight is very light. It's not that heavy. And this is made of 100% human hair, which is virgin Remy hair. And this color is natural color. So you can dye, bleach, perm, everything you want. Okay, and let's start to take a look at it in details. Ta-da! Okay, this is the lace. The lace is very soft and thin. And look at the details right here. So you can make the baby hair easily. Plugging in or out using a tweezers. And it has ear-to-ear lace front, 4 inches wide, so you can part any way you want. But this side is not a lace, it's a silk, so it's very soft. So it doesn't make any itchy scalp, and it is good for person who are allergic to the lace. And there is a silk base right here, all the way through ear to ear headline, and both ear tabs as well. And 2 combs at the front side. And their brand name, embroidery. And 1 comb at the nape side, an adjustable band right here. And it has closed cap. It's very sturdy and stretchable. There's many hair in the closed caps, so I think this is good for like the winter season. And this is the texture of the hair. It's not that silky, it's not that rough. It's very thick, but it's very light. This is very classic style, so you can think there are not many styles you can But this is the human hair, so you can apply heat on it using curling iron, flat iron, whatever. So you can have tons of styles. But I like this, the classic style, so you can drop it naturally, just one direction like this, or you can make the ponytail like this. Or pin it up, just half, like this. Or I recommend to make style with hot rollers. So you don't need to buy the one already waved or the one already curled. So pretty. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you for everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.